Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to create a Google Meet links for your classroom. Hi everyone, today I am going to be demonstrating how you can use Google Meets in your classroom. So if ever we are in a lockdown or we need to do a remote learning session with our students, we are able to do this. So first thing, you can go to Google Chrome and type in meet.google.com. Now in this one, you just need to start. In this one, you just need to press the start button, join or start meeting. Now you can enter your name and then or your meeting code, then you can go into the meeting session. The other way is to go to your Google Classroom, and then in the Google Classroom, there is a meeting link that you can generate and send it to your students. So by doing this, you can see that inside the Google Classroom, there is a Meet link. So you just need to click the Generate Meet link, and then once it is generated, this will be visible to the students. So you can copy this one and send it to your students. It is also available in the classroom, so you can show this one to your students and this will be available to them. Now, the third option is using the Gmail account, which is in the Meet session. Okay, so this is my meeting, and then you can create a new meeting and it will create a shared. So you can create a new meeting and then it will show the pin code and a Meet code, and then you can send an invite to your students. Another way is to create a Hangout group. Once you created a Google group in your with your students, you will be able to get a Google Meet link by clicking this button. So in the right side button, there is a Join Meet with a video call. So here you just copy the link. So in this Google Meet, you will be able to send the link code to your students. Now, the other way is to put it into a Google Calendar. Now, in the Google Calendar, you can add in a new meeting and you can generate a new Meet video conferencing. So when you create a video conferencing, you have the Google Link account or Google Link here. Let's go and see what are the features in the Google Meet. So once you join in, write your name and you can enter. Now, here you can send this information to your students. So you can see here that I have the camera turned on and I can start or change my background. Okay, so I can change my background into more fun stuff, or you just blur your background. Now, and then you can start with the voice turned on or your camera turned off. Okay, so I'll just go join in. Now, once I'm joined in, you can copy the code and send it to your students too. Okay, and then you can also add them in. Now, here you can see that what's information of this and then the attachment if you put it in the Google Calendar. Okay, now you can see here the first button is the turn on and off button for the microphone, and then leave the call and turn on the camera or off. The students can also raise their hands, add a caption. You can add a caption so students can see what you are saying during the conference. You can turn it off for right now. And then here, the press button for present now is to present the whole entire screen, or we can show a window or even a tab. Now, in the participants tab, you can see that there are the different people here. Okay, so you can see who are in the group. You can add them in, and then you can also have the host control. So you can share the screen, they can share the screen or have messages to one another. So this is a message box. So you can have let everybody message to one another or not. Okay, now once you close it down, you can look over to other settings. So you can have a whiteboard, which is in the Jamboard. Okay, you can record the meeting, and then also the layout of your chat. So tiled, spotlight, or sidebar. You can change how many in one tile so that it's easier to view. Now, others are the same as in the menu, which is a full screen, change the background, caption, and so forth. So I hope that you learned something new, and then have a nice day.